Remember when I made this latte mug during pottery? It finally got shipped and delivered to my house. It's been a few months, okay? Let's unbox it. I'm super excited because I forgot what color I chose. If I remember, it's probably like a butter yellow because I'm really on yellow right now, but y'all know my favorite color is green, so it could be green. Let's open it up and see. Let's see how they wrap this. Ooh. Oh, it's bubble wrap. Love that. Okay, security. Oh, look at it. Look at it. It's so cute. And then that's where I left my thumbprint so that I can hold them up. Look at that. It's my thumbprint. I love this so much. This isn't yellow or green. I don't remember choosing this color, but maybe. I don't know. Anyway, super cute. A new latte cup. Look at this. Anyway, I just wanted to unbox this with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy. I'm super excited. Let's go make a latte.